Hey everyone, we're here with Dean Banowetz, Hollywood hair guy. He's used to doing tons of live events, American Idol, Dancing with the Stars, red carpet.
Yes.
And now you have a new venture.
I do. This is the InStyler IQ, and it has a ton of great features, and it's going to actually make your life a lot easier in the salon.
Fabulous. So show me what makes it different.
Let me show you everything. All right, so the InStyler IQ is great because it automatically goes up to 430 degrees, but you can easily take it all the way down to 225. So you have a lot of temperature variation, which is genius because you can use it on a lot of straightening, services and that sort of thing.
And it's interesting that it's down here as a dial.
Correct, because my biggest issue is when you're using a tool and your hands and your fingers run across it and you shut it off, or worse yet, you change the temperature, and now you're not going to have the results that you think you're going to get. So insisted on having it down. Also, this is really great too because it's a dual auto rotation. So you're the boss of it. When you close it, you actually tell it which way to go based on how you turn your wrist. So you can flip in, you can flip out, you can get great body, volume, texture, and you can actually wrap the hair around to get some really great waves as well.
Now if you're alternating your wrist position, does the barrel itself alter as well?
Exactly. So when you move your wrist, it automatically identifies which direction the barrel needs to go so you can have a smooth cuticle every time. And I also love, this is a magnetic bristle pod that pops right off. And you can actually, it's great for sanitation, but it's just a little magnetic strip, and it easily just aligns and it pops right back on. So this is really amazing as well. So one of my favorite techniques is like the 4-minute blowout. So when you're running late and you just have to freshen somebody up, you can literally take a section of hair, and a lot of times what we want to do is just transform these straight ends into something that has some curl and texture. So you just close, the polishing barrel smooths that cuticle down. The first set of brushes aligns the hair so it goes over the polishing barrel evenly, and you just glide this right down. She has super long hair, so I'm going to just pull this up a little bit. Hold it on the base or on the ends just a little bit longer, and when you're done, it just gives this great cascading like she's had a fresh blowout.
And then there's other ways to create texture using the iron as well.
Exactly. So as quick as you can give a 4-minute blowout, you can actually take a section of hair, wrap the hair around the barrel, close, and what happens is this activates the rotation to the direction you want it to go. It's polishing that cuticle down again, and you just let the polishing barrel do its job and really smooth it out. When you're ready, quick, easy. You just open this up and you drop out a great beachy texture. And again, the size of the barrel determines the size of the curl. So we also have a 3/4 inch if you want a tighter wave.
So what kind of products would you recommend using with this? Styling spray, thermal protectors?
Yeah, you can use the thermal styling spray. I personally love the Aquage, thermal setting spray. And the key too is everything in moderation. I don't like to use a lot of products, so just a little bit goes a long way.
Well, texture right now is huge. We see it on the runways, we see it on the streets, we see it everywhere.
Everywhere, and it's going to be around for a long time.
So tell me also about, but for women that are wearing their hair long, how can they use the tool to get more volume?
Well, if you want more body and volume, you can literally just take a section of hair, and this is also really amazing too if you have a great bob, or you would just want to freshen up, a nice cut. Sometimes you might just need a little bevel on those ends, and if you want to get that extra volume, you close, and you can actually over-direct, which is helping to put more foundation in the base of that hair. So when you glide it down, it's going to give you a better arch, and you have more body and volume right at the root.
So where can people go for more information on this iron?
If you want more information on the InStyler IQ, literally all you need to do is go to InStylerIQ.com or InStyler Pro. All you need to do is Google me, and you can know everything there is to know about it. But we're setting up distributors all over the U.S., and it definitely is going to save you a lot of time in the salon.
Great, guys. Heard it here first. See you soon.
Stand by. Feels good.
Feels really good.
Quick, easy. See?